Alright, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. Like two peas in a pod. So here we are. P1, P2, and here's the pod. Yeah, definitely. To get along. To get along very well. To get along very well. They are such great friends, like two peas in a pod. I think you and I will be like two peas in a pod. Yeah, we'll get along very well. Yeah, how cool is that? As soon as they met, they were like two peas in a pod. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. We were like two peas in a pod. We were comfortable and happy and things went great. Yeah. We were like two peas in a pod. Things were comfortable. We were happy and we got along well. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, sometimes they were like two peas in a pod. Yeah. Often we had to get along. We were forced to be two peas in a pod. Otherwise, things would have just not worked out. Things would not have happened. Things would have fallen apart. Yeah. Over time, they managed to get used to each other, and gradually they were like two peas in a pod. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, over time they were like two peas in a pod. They got along well. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use like two peas in a pod in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.